how to use the controller create a new program. We now in teach model, right? Then here is the program. Here is this one. Here is controller the welding power. Here the controller. We only click press this button here. Then we first create we create a new name is with JAS 001. Okay, we create this program. Then press OK. Okay, here is right. Then we can save as save this program, save as another program. We also use this program name, create a new program. Create. He finished create a new program, right? Yeah.